We're walking from Citylink to Marina Bay Square today to watch the line dance by the Asian group. They have won competitions, awards. Last week I was here, so we're going to start at 5 p.m. The time is already 4:30. Well, because early had some work, but we can manage to get some nice footage, man. Last week I was here, right? Wow, it was really amazing. It's different from other line shows I've seen. Anyway, enjoy the little walk from Citylink Mall to Marina Square Shopping Center Mall, which takes about maybe 10 minutes. I'll try to rush a bit. There are actually some figure lamp shop here, most of the women clothes shops, and the clinic Hawaii, which uses the Korean technology and healthy skincare right here. You see the sign, this way go to the Marina Square. Nice restaurant called Wow Fish. It just rained earlier, and I hope it won't rain anymore because later I'm going to another place. After the watching of dance. Alright, can you see the sign, right? Go straight Sunset City Express MRT on the right side, one versus lane and Marina Square, so we're going to turn right. Nice bakery. Marina Square Mall is just opposite. The question is how to get there. You're going to turn right a bit. By the way, there's a nice decoration and the view. We'll go on staircase this way. Well, turn left again. There's a staircase too. Just be careful of traffic though. I don't here can see the Esplanade during spikes. It's called Esplanade, but we give it a name during spike because it looks like the building. That spike is supposed to reduce the energy loss, and improve the heat convection transfer, so people who visit the Esplanade will not feel hot. We reach the main area. There's a nice herbal tea shop for Lulu. Burger King here. And you're approaching the line dance area. They call it the atrium. It's just a filming stuff. Oh, it's a bit cold now. The malls in Singapore normally have the strong aircon. Precious thoughts. Have you guys done your CNY shopping yet? It's just like less than 10 days, man. You can consider some shoes here. Breeze. Actually, I like this name though, because in Chinese it's called Wu Gui, and then it symbolizes wealth and longevity. Look at all the CNY stuff. So you can see a little playground in front. That's the area where the dance will be held. Because I came here like quite late, I don't think I can get a central view, but a side view is possible. Look at that. The crowd is already forming up, so the show will be starting in less than 10 minutes. So see you guys later. Okay, everyone. Bye.